Railway platforms packed like tins of sardines. Passengers jostling with each other for that elusive seat. Travelling by rail this summer is not for the faint-hearted. The Indian Railways is transporting a record number of passengers this year, and it's huffing and puffing with an effort much beyond its handling capacity. A cluster of auspicious dates for marriage and general elections have put massive pressure on the national transporter, with its resources stretching thin. There have been reports of social media postings of passengers without reservation storming into reserved AC coaches and refusing to vacate the seats. Such is the shortage in capacity that waiting lists regularly run into hundreds. Business Today TV has learned that the Railway Ministry has taken up the challenge and has plans to run over 10,000 trains this summer. This is a whopping 60% rise over the 6,369 train services offered in the summer in 2023. Sources have told Business Today TV that the additional trains are already being notified, with the highest addition being offered to Western Railways, followed by North Western Railways, South Central and then East Central. The Railway Ministry has also tightened its belt to deal with the crushing crowds at the platforms. Proper arrangements are being made, which includes ensuring crowd control at all major stations. Senior officers are being stationed to monitor all activities. RPF personnel have been given the additional duty of ensuring passengers get into trains safely in a systematic manner. Numbers show that 37 crore passengers travelled by rail in April last year. More than 41 crore have travelled in the first 21 days of April this year. The third weekend of the month, 20th and the 21st April, saw a record of 3.4 crore passengers. The surge is being attributed to both the ongoing general elections and a cluster of astrologically auspicious dates. Sources indicate that amidst the election season, representatives from various political parties are booking tickets in bulk to travel for the polls. Furthermore, many political workers are arranging transportation for their supporters to voting locations. There could be another reason as well. As per industry sources, the increase in railway travelling could also be due to the fact that the air travel has turned expensive in the past few months. A shortage of engine parts has already clipped the wings of Go First. Other airlines like Indigo and SpiceJet have sources of aircraft grounded, leaving passengers with no option but to board Indian Railways. With Chetan Bhutani and Karishma Sudani, Bureau Report, Business Today TV.